Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your homes. So, students, let's start our English class. Yesterday we had completed poem The Circus, and today we'll start this chapter 8, which is Silver Anklet. As you can see on your screen, this is chapter 8, Silver Anklet. In this story, we'll find out that how sometimes children teach adults. And in this story, we'll find out that how a girl of your age teaches her father that stealing is wrong thing. So let's start reading this story. Sparsh, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Chanda was playing with her sister Munni when she heard a voice sing toys, beautiful toys. She ran to the door. When she heard a voice sing toys, beautiful toys, she ran to the door and peeped out. Standing outside was a toy seller with a big basket on his head. He looked at both the girls, smiled, and put his basket down. Guess what I have in my basket? He said with a twinkle in his eyes. Show us quickly, said the girls in excitement. The toy seller took out a pretty doll with big black eyes. Both Chanda and Munni jumped in excitement. Such a beautiful doll. I will get the money from my mother, said Munni as she ran into the house in her excitement. She did not notice that one of her silver anklets had fallen down. The toy seller saw the anklet and picked it up. Is this your sister's anklet? He asked. Yes, it is, said Chanda without looking at it. Her eyes were on the door. It must be expensive, he asked again. Chanda simply nodded. My daughter would also love to have such pretty silver anklets, continued the toy seller. Chanda looked at him and asked, oh, you have a daughter? Yes, almost as old as you are.
Now, Rishabh, start reading from the next page.
Yes, ma'am. Does not she have anklets? So we are poor. Don't worry. I will ask my father to get anklets for your daughter. Munni had still not come with the money. Chanda thought that she must find out what was happening. Chanda thought that they must find out what was happening in the house. She looked at the toy seller and said, please wait here. I will get the money. Chanda said rushed in to get the money. She found mother giving it to Munni. They took the money and ran out to give it to the toy seller. But the toy seller was not there. He had disappeared, and that too with Munni's silver anklet.
Stop.
The toy
Neela, start reading.
The toy seller has run away with the silver anklets. Ma! Oh, sister cried loudly. The toy seller, why did you give it to him? She asked and rushed out to look for him. Tears rolled down the girl's cheeks. Mother consoled them and warned them to be careful of such thieves. The
Stop.
next morning,
Stop. Yes, Radhika, start reading.
yes, ma'am. She asked and
From
rested.
where are you reading from? Don't you know where Neela stopped? Do you know where Neela stopped? We are here for reading this chapter and everybody is looking into their books. Huh? Please concentrate in class instead of doing other things. Radhika, it's important. Understand? Divyanshi. Divyanshi Dubey. Do you know from where Neela stopped? Do you know from where Neela stopped, Divyanshi?
No, ma'am.
Please take care in class. Please. It is good. I was just watching you all that how many of you are concentrating in class and how many of you are not concentrating in class. So that I can find out easily. Avi Gupta and Aradhya Mishra, on your cameras. Yes, Ayushi.
The next morning, Chanda woke up early. She sat beside the window, thinking of the anklet, doll, and the toy seller. She noticed a man and a girl walking toward her house. She could not see the man's face as it covered with a cloth. The girl was pretty but dressed poorly. She was as old as Chanda. The man stopped. He spoke to the girl and gave her something wrapped in the torn cloth. The girl walked slowly toward the main door. Chanda ran out and looked at girl. What do you want? She asked.
Stop.
The girl
Sanskar Tiwari. Start reading. Do you know where Ayushi stopped? Do you know, Sanskar, where Ayushi stopped?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Chanda ran out the look at the girl. What do you want? She asked the girl.
Sanskar, she was
Love.
not from here. She stopped. She didn't stop from here. She was in the next line. Arushi. Start reading.
The girl lowered her head and said, I want to talk to your mother. Ma, there is someone at the door. She wants to talk to you, said Chanda loudly. Her mother looked at girl and smiled. The girl did not speak but instead handed the cloth to Chanda's mother. She opened the cloth and in it was Munni's anklet. The girl spoke softly. I have come to return this anklet. The man standing outside is my father. He is a toy seller. Just then the father came forward. He uncovered his face. He was the same toy seller who had disappeared with Munni's anklet. He spoke in a low voice. Dear child, please take this anklet and forgive me. I took it for my daughter, but when she came to know that I had stolen it, she refused to take it. Munni came out of the house. She saw her anklet and danced with joy. The toy seller looked at everyone. He walked up to his basket and came back with same doll he had shown to the girls. He gave it to Munni and said, my child, take this doll as a gift. Give her name as lovely as yours. Chanda mothers looked at toy seller's daughter and asked, what is your name? Chandni. She replied, well, said Chanda's mother, we shall name the doll Chandni. Everyone agreed. Chanda, Munni, and Chandni are best friends now. Chanda's father has got Chandni admitted in a neighborhood school. He wants his daughters to be as honest and truthful as Chandni. Message: honesty is best policy.
Yes. So this is the end of this story. Well, let me explain this story to you all first of all, so that you all will understand that what happens in this story easily. So here you can see Chanda was playing with her sister Munni when she heard a voice sing toys, beautiful toys. Chanda was playing with her sister मुन्नी के साथ चंदा खेल रही थी एंड शी जस्ट हर्ड अ वॉइस फ्रॉम आउटसाइड व्हिच वाज टॉयज ब्यूटीफुल टॉयज लाइक जब हमारे यहाँ कोई आते हैं कुछ सामान सेल करने के लिए तो हम लोग आवाज लगाते हैं सो दैट toy that sound was coming from that toy seller and he was singing like toys beautiful toy. She ran out of the door and peeped out. Peep means jhankna, to look or take a small look like who is outside. She just peeped outside, and standing outside was a toy seller with a big basket on his head. There was a toy seller, a big basket on his head. He looked at both the girls, smiled, and put his basket down. Yes, what I have in my basket, he said with twinkle in his eyes. Show us quickly, said the girls in excitement. Girl said, please show us what is inside your basket. Toy seller took out a doll. Toy seller ने एक doll निकाली, a pretty doll with a big black eyes. Yes, Sarushi.
Ma'am, what is meaning of consoled?
Console means शांत करना. कोई अगर बहुत दुख में है तो we can console them, सांत्वना देना. It's in Hindi we can say. To help him to control his feeling. Okay.
Okay,
Now, the toy seller took out a doll, a pretty big doll with a big black eyes. Both Chanda and Muni jumped in excitement. They were so excited after looking that doll. Such a beautiful doll. I'll get the money from my mother, Munni said, and she just ran into the house. उसने कहा कि मैं अभी पैसे लेकर आती हूँ अपनी मम्मी से और वो अंदर चली गई मुन्नी. In her excitement, she did not notice that one of her silver anklet had fallen down. इतनी एक्साइटेड थी वो उस पैसे लेने के लिए अंदर जाने के लिए कि उसका सिल्वर एंकलेट जो था मींस उसकी पायल सिल्वर की पायल उसके पैर से गिर गई. एंकलेट मींस पायल, सिल्वर मींस चांदी. So the toy seller saw the anklet and picked it up. Toy seller ने देखा पायल, उसने उठा के अपने पास रख लिया in his pocket. sorry, in this your sister, नहीं पहले उसने पूछा, what he asked, that is this your sister's anklet, he asked. Then Chanda said yes it is, without looking at it, उसकी तरफ बिना देखे उसने कहा yes yes ये मेरी सिस्टर की है. Her eyes were on the door, लेकिन वो डोर पे ही देख रही थी कि मुन्नी कब पैसे लेकर आएगी और हम कब that doll we can purchase. It must be expensive, he asked again. तो उस टॉय सेलर ने पूछा ये तो महंगी होगी, हो सकता है एक्सपेंसिव होगा. बट चंदा जस्ट सिंपली नॉडेड, चंदा ने बस नॉड किया. नॉड मींस आई टोल्ड यू दैट टू मूव योर हैंड इन एग्रीमेंट. यस, सो शी जस्ट नॉडेड. यस, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है. माय डॉटर वुड लव टू हैव सच अ प्रिटी सिल्वर एंकलेट. टॉय सेलर ने कहा कि मेरी बेटी को भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी ऐसी सिल्वर एंकलेट. कंटिन्यूड द टॉय सेलर. चंदा लुक्ड एट हिम एंड आस्क्ड. चंदा ने उसकी तरफ देखा एंड पूछा, ओह आपकी एक डॉटर है, यू हैव अ डॉटर. यस, ऑलमोस्ट एज यू एज ओल्ड एज यू आर. उस टॉय सेलर ने कहा हाँ मेरी भी एक डॉटर है, बस आपके ही जैसी है, आपके ही बराबर है वो भी. डजंट शी हैव एंकलेट्स. उसने कहा क्या उसके पास एंकलेट नहीं है. नो वी आर पुअर. टॉय सेलर ने कहा नहीं हम गरीब है ना, हमारे पास एंकलेट नहीं है. डोंट वरी, आई विल आस्क माय फादर टू गेट एंकलेट्स फॉर योर डॉटर. फिर वो बोलती है चंदा कि तुम चिंता मत करो, मैं अपने फादर से बोलूंगी तो वो आपके डॉटर को पायल दे देंगे. मुन्नी had still not come with the money. मुन्नी अभी तक पैसे लेकर नहीं आई थी अपनी मम्मी से. Then Chanda thought that she must find out what was happening in the house. चंदा ने सोचा कि चलो मैं जाके देखती हूँ कि आखिर हो क्या, अभी तक मुन्नी क्यों नहीं आई पैसे लेकर. She looked at the toy seller and said, "Please wait here, I'll get the money." उसने टॉय सेलर को देखा एंड सेड दैट आप यही वेट कीजिए, आई विल गेट द मनी. चंदा रश्ड इनटू गेट द मनी. चंदा रश्ड मींस चंदा दौड़ के जल्दी से अंदर गई मनी लाने के लिए. शी फाउंड दैट मदर इज गिविंग मनी टू मुन्नी. उसने देखा कि चंदा को मुन्नी को मदर जो है पैसे दे ही रही है. दे टुक द मनी एंड रैन आउट टू गिव इट टू टॉय सेलर. दौड़ के बाहर आए टॉय सेलर को मनी देने के लिए. बट टॉय सेलर वाज नॉट देयर. उन्होंने देखा कि टॉय सेलर तो वहां था ही नहीं. He had disappeared and too with Munni's silver anklet. वो disappeared था, वो तो गायब हो गया था, वहां पे था ही नहीं वो, और मुन्नी की सिल्वर एंकलेट भी नहीं थी. The toy seller ran away with the silver anklet. माँ, वो sisters cried loudly. वो दोनों जो sisters थी वो जोर से बोलती हैं कि toy seller तो चला गया दौड़ के एंकलेट लेकर. The toy seller, why did you give it to him? toy seller को क्यों दे दिया आप लोगों ने. माँ ने उनके ऊपर नाराज हुई थोड़ा. She asked and rushed out to look for him. दौड़ के फिर बाहर गई देखने के लिए. Tears rolled down the girl's cheek. मतलब जो गर्ल्स थी उनके गाल में, चिक्स में टीयर्स थे, वो आने लगे थे, आंसू आ गए थे. मदर कंसोल्ड देम एंड वार्नड देम टू बी केयरफुल ऑफ सच थिंग्स. मदर ने उनको कंसोल किया, उनको चुप कराया कि डोंट वरी, अब चुप हो जाओ, अब क्या कर सकते हो, बट प्लीज बी केयरफुल ऑफ सच थिंग्स. She said. She just warned them. Next morning, Chanda woke up early. She sat beside the window thinking of the anklet. Chanda जल्दी उठ गई थी सुबह, and she just was sitting on the window beside the window, and she was thinking of that anklet, doll, and the toy seller. She was just thinking of all these things. She noticed a man and a girl walking towards her house. She was watching that a man and a girl was coming near to her house. She could not see the man's face as it was covered with a cloth. उसे आदमी का चेहरा नहीं देख पा रही थी. एक मैन आ रहा था बट उसका चेहरा नहीं देख पा रही थी because it is covered with the cloth. So the girl was pretty but dressed poorly. She was old as Chanda. So Chanda noticed that there is a girl also. She dressed poorly. बहुत मतलब पुराने कपड़े उसने पहने थे, वो चंदा के बराबर ही थी. The man stopped. He spoke to girl and gave her something wrapped in the torn cloth. तो man रुक गया and उसने गर्ल के हाथ में कुछ दिया, which was wrapped, means वो covered था, packed था, wrapped था with a torn cloth, means फटे हुए कपड़े से, वो torn cloth से वो wrapped था. उसने कुछ दिया उस गर्ल के हाथ में. Girl walked slowly towards the main door. Girl धीरे 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 main door के पास गई उनके. And Chanda ran out and looked at girl. Chanda दौड़ के नीचे आई, उसने लड़की को देखा और उसने पूछा that what do you want? The girl lowered her head and said. Girl ने अपना सर नीचे किया and उसने कहा I want to talk to your mother. Then Ma, there is someone at the door who wants to talk to you. said Chanda loudly. Then Chanda loudly said कि माँ कोई आए हैं जो आपसे मिलना चाहती है. Her mother looked at a girl and smiled. मदर ने देखा लड़की की तरफ and smile किया. The girl did not speak but instead handed the cloth to Chanda's mother. She opened the cloth and in it was Munni's anklet. उसने गर्ल ने कुछ नहीं किया, उसने सिर्फ चंदा के मदर के हाथ में एक वो जो रैप्ड किया हुआ समथिंग था उसको रख दिया. फिर चंदा की मदर ने उसको ओपन करके देखा तो देयर वाज मुन्नीज एंकलेट इन दैट torn cloth in that wrapped thing. So the girl spoke softly. गर्ल ने धीरे से बोला, what? I have come to return this anklet. The man is standing outside is my father. He's a toy seller. तो जो गर्ल आई थी वो क्या बोल रही थी that कि मैं यहाँ पर वापस आई हूँ ये एंकलेट वापस करने आपके पास. जो बाहर मैन है खड़े हैं जो वो मेरे फादर हैं, वो एक टॉय सेलर है. दैट गर्ल सेड. जस्ट देन द फादर केम फॉरवर्ड. तभी उनके पापा जो है वो थोड़ा सा आगे आए. उनके फादर he uncovered his face. उन्होंने अपना फेस को ओपन किया, अनकवर किया. and he was the same toy seller who had disappeared with Munni's anklet. उन लोगों ने नोटिस किया चंदन मुन्नी ने कि अरे ये तो वही टॉय सेलर हैं जो मुन्नी का एंकलेट लेके कल गायब हो गए थे, चले गए थे. He spoke in a low voice. उन्होंने धीरे से सॉफ्ट वॉइस में लो वॉइस में कहा, डियर चाइल्ड प्लीज टेक दिस एंकलेट एंड फॉरगिव मी. उन्होंने कहा कि प्लीज ये पायल प्लीज ये एंकलेट ले लो एंड प्लीज मुझे फॉरगिव करो. फॉरगिव मींस, who can tell me forgive means? Only Arushi is giving the answer. Yes.
Ma'am, forgive means maaf.
So, बस मुझे माफ करो. Understand that that toy seller said कि ये एंकलेट रखो और मुझे माफ करो. I took it for my daughter. मैं अपनी बेटी के लिए एंकलेट को ले गया था. But when she came to know that I had stolen it, she refused. जब उसको पता चला कि मैंने इसको स्टोल किया स्टील किया है तो वो उसने रिफ्यूज कर दिया लेने से. उसने मना कर दिया कि मैं नहीं ले सकती. मुन्नी केम आउट ऑफ द हाउस. शी सॉ एंकलेट एंड डांस्ड विद जॉय. मुन्नी दौड़ के आई बाहर एंड उसने एंकलेट देखा और वो खुशी से डांस करने लगी. द टॉय सेलर लुक्ड एट एवरीवन. He walked up to his basket and came back with the same doll he had shown the girls. टॉय सेलर ने सबको देखा और फिर वो जाके अपने बास्केट से वापस जाके उस बास्केट से एक डॉल लेकर आया जो उसने कल गर्ल्स को दिखाया था. He gave it to Munni and said, उसने मुन्नी को दिया और कहा, my child, take this doll as a gift. Give her a name as lovely as yours. उसने कहा ये गिफ्ट लो और इसको बहुत अच्छा नाम देना, जैसा नाम आपका है वैसे ही अच्छा सा नाम देना. Chanda's mother looked at toy seller's daughter and asked. चंदा की मदर ने टॉय सेलर की डॉटर को देखा, टॉय सेलर की डॉटर को देखा और कहा, पूछा, what is your name? तो उसने कहा चांदनी. She replied. गर्ल का नाम क्या था? चांदनी था. Well, said Chanda's mother, we shall name the doll Chandni. Everyone agreed. सबने कहा कि ठीक है, अब से इस डॉल का नाम भी चांदनी है जैसा उस लड़की का नाम देखा. So Chanda, Munni and Chandni are best friends now. Chanda's father had got Chandni admitted in the neighborhood school. चंदा की जो फादर थे उन्होंने चांदनी का एडमिशन करवा दिया था पास के ही स्कूल में. He wants his daughter to be as honest and truthful as Chandni. वो भी चाहते थे चंदा के फादर कि मेरी बेटियां भी चांदनी के जैसे ऑनेस्ट हों, ऑनेस्ट एंड ट्रूथफुल हो, ईमानदार हो और सच्ची हो. कि वो हमेशा सच बोलें और वो अपने काम के प्रति, अपने जो भी वर्क है, हमारा जो कुछ भी है, हर चीज के प्रति वो ऑनेस्ट रहे हमेशा. एंड वी आर गेटिंग अ मैसेज ओवर हियर व्हिच इज ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. सबसे अच्छी पॉलिसी क्या होती है? ऑनेस्टी मींस ईमानदारी. सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी एंड वी गॉट अ मैसेज आल्सो. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. Here, as you can see, take the correct answers. This exercise you all have to do by yourself. I hope that you will take the correct options. Okay, and one more thing. Here you can see some words are given. You have to make sentences of these words by yourself. Okay. Talk about your favorite toy. Why did Chanda ask the toy seller to wait? You have to write the answers of these questions in your words. Understand? And I'll send you word meanings and question answers of this chapter on your WhatsApp group after some time. So that's all for today's class. We will meet tomorrow and complete the exercise. Good day, students.